See, bro, the time is 11:29, 33 seconds. This is part 2. What I am telling you is, if the interest rates cuts means, right now the dollar index will pull down. Okay, the dollar will come down because of they give amount less interest to investors. Okay, current in future the economy and strength is grow. Right now the if the interest rate cuts means right now the dollar index will come down 1 minute. Okay, Paul's speech already started. You see the time. You see the closer. 23:30. So the dollar index come down means automatically Euro USD going up. You see, 28 minutes 46 seconds. The time will change. It's 12 o'clock. Yeah, the event will come. If the interest rates cuts means automatically the dollar index will come down. The euro USD will going up. This is very very important. That's why I'm coming uh, live today. Actually, this is not live, but in live only I am explaining you. Before last 5 minutes, I take video and I put thumbnail and I upload video. After again only before 11:30, my target is before 11:30. In live only we show you. That's why I am coming. See the euro index will going up. First we confirm if they in speech only first 5 minutes only they told the interest rates will cut down or not. 100% the interest will cut down because of you check my last video. I explained in that video. China already interest rates cuts in this today 5 p.m. in Indian time. Today China interest rate already cuts pro. If they cuts means they attracts investors. That's why euro USD going up. See the dollar will come down because of interest rates cuts. See dollar in live only, bro. You see this is 5 minutes candle. Here only, here only we tell the interest rates will cut down means the dollar index will come down and the euro will going up. 100% the interest rates will cut down because of China. Today 5 p.m. only they cut interest rates. Whether this is very very important topic. Okay, I am not coming and telling in live. But why I am telling you means this is very important point in future only. In future also, in my true subscribers, in future I explain why the market will go, why we take trade, why we execute. You only see live the dollar decreases because of the fixed pro interest rates already cut at. This is Euro USD. This is 5 minutes pro, 5 minutes candle. After 2 minutes again from here to start. Okay, almost 3,352, 3,470, almost 100 points we catch. We put one lot means we immediately we take $100. This is very very important. That's why I'm telling Powell speech impacts markets peaks. Some trillions, bro. Some trillions will circulate in this speech. Be patient Actually, right now the discussion is interest rates. At 11:30 interest rates only. Okay. 12 a.m. the uh, exactly 12 a.m. Jerome Powell will come and they explain current US economy and current situations and interest rates, agriculture, products, imports, exports, total he will explain. Okay, this is the main reason why I am telling in live. Okay, before the event start only I am telling you. Every day I update economic calendar, but last 5 days I didn't update and I didn't explain. Tomorrow onwards, next time I come only in live, bro. Okay, but every day I update economic calendar. Tomorrow morning also I explain. This events is very important, bro. The reports, the events, the data, euro going up, bro. Because of the already fixed interest rates cuts. See the dollar index, dollar will come down. You see, from here to here. US need investors, bro. They need to improve their country growing up. In future, the economy will going very high. In current situations, they give less interest amount to investors, bro. What I am telling you, some basic knowledge forex trader understand what I am telling is. New traders didn't expect what I am telling. You see this 6 hours ago. Trump wants interest rate cuts. China just did. Oh, I put means. You see this message. It's rotating the letters also complete opposite. Trump wants interest rate cuts. China already did. In 6 hours ago. See, 6 hours ago. Live stream begins 21 minutes 59 seconds, 52 seconds, 54 seconds, 53, 52, 51. See the market, how interest rates cuts the market impact. That's why you go and check my before video. You understand how the market will go, why we take trade, why we execute trade. This is very important, bro. The dollar index almost 200 points down, bro. You go and check euro, how much go? See, 240 points, bro. Almost from 400 to 628, 650. Inflation remains, inflation remains somewhat elevated and due to the risks to both sides of dual mandate. Fancy decision to stand path nominates economic activity has continued to expand. It is solid inflation better and is established in the low level. See the market impact, bro. No need to worry. It's come down after 20 minutes. Powell also told we need to cut interest rates because of last week a lot of allegations come Jerome Powell to King Donald J. Trump because of Trump always told we should interest rates cuts because of we need to attract investors with low interest. We a lot of investors will go broke because of they they put any business with if you give low interest means they attract means they go without low interest. If five rupees 10 rupees means how they will go, how they pay money to banks. This is the reason, main reason. You only understand last 2 weeks back only I explained this. ECB interest rates cuts means that's why the market will down. Euro market will down. To this month first, the Europe market will going up. Before first 9:30 p.m. exactly 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. the Europe completely market will down because of ECB interest rates effects, bro. Before that day, complete Europe banks and labor holiday, Labor Day. No banks and it all, no works. But in that effect, interest rates cuts effect, first night exactly 9:30 to 7. It starts from 7 to 9:30, complete falling down euro. Yeah, some situations I I can't explain, bro. I openly challenging you, sisters or brothers. I explained before 10 to um, from starting channel to now. I explained when we come to live, nobody, no YouTuber can't explain like me. I explain you complete market structure, bro. Why the trade will go 24 into 7, the market will go live. Some timings I already told you. In that timings only you come to live. In that time only I am also taking trade. Okay, how I, total I show, bro. Everything I show. A lot of fake stars, fake YouTubers. Uh, they don't explain you, bro. Why the market will go? They don't explain. Why they explain? If they explain means you don't come again. They only do. That's why they don't explain market situations. Why the market will go down? They don't explain. Okay, they are always told this is the stop loss and this is the take profit. That's all. They didn't explain. They don't explain. They need to watch again. You come and watch again, and they put amount from you. They take amount from you. Okay, bro, it's already time over. What I am telling you is uh, correct. Exactly 12 a.m. the Powell command, they give speech. You go and watch that speech. Okay, almost 18 minutes is there. Right now the time is 23:43 in India means 11:43. Exactly 12 a.m. you watch this video. After you go and watch that video, what Powell said, how the effect impact in market, how many days it impacts. You need to go and check what I am telling. This is the very important. Today the topic is before only they told in economic calendar idea. Actually, I don't post economic calendar. You go on today morning only. You watch that economic calendar. Okay, today the topic is interest rate cuts. So you need to fix what happening. current situations, what their decision will take. If you don't analyze means at least after you watch that speech only, after you running that speech only, what they told, it's positive or negative, it's positive to dollar or it's negative to dollar, after only you take decision. Okay, this is very very important. Actually I didn't explain more than this. Understand, bro? Okay, you're already going some highs. Go and check. Yeah, if Powell will come, he told interest rate will cut down, means the dollar will come down. In these situations, dollar will come down. In future, the economy will go up because of they do business in US, pro. Okay, if they do business means in future, the interest rates hike, means they put interest rates high also, that country take profits. In this situation the market will down. Okay, what I am telling you understand. Okay, you also don't trust me, blind me. Okay, you go check what this bro telling in this video. You go and check in internet. Okay, you go and check your own sources, after only you take decision. This is very clear. And take care, bro. Bye. Good night. Next we come with live only. Okay, every day I upload economic calendar. Must and should you go and check that economic calendar and that exact timings. Take care, bro. Bye.